Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find the help section on the RHYTHM HIVE application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the settings section on the upper right corner of the screen, and in the settings section go to the support option, and here you can find the help option and just tap on it. It takes 5 minutes, but here you can find questions and more tips about the application. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.